Yeah.
Big sister.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna get.
Ooh. I'm recording right now.
Oh.
Just out here. Everybody's having a good day. Embrace, enjoy each day, each moment.
Slow, slow, slow.
Yeah, take it slow. Take it easy.
Slow. There you go.
Take it easy.
Trying to come down. Oh, here. Enjoy. Take time.
Look at my home I'm making for
Make.
my bug.
Yeah, good. Look at
He's
that.
enjoying it.
Ooh, you okay? Mama, we
Ooh,
have
got it
to
in
be
my face.
careful. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. Let's make time for this. You know, let's take the time
There
to
could
make
be
the
germs in
time
there.
to do this.
There could be germs.
This is our park. This is a park that's around our house. And
Yeah,
we
it
come
doesn't
and
have
we
germs.
enjoy it. Yes, it could be germs, but you know, not too strong of a germs. Maybe it's nature. It's been through worse now. But anyways, hope everybody's having fun. Enjoy every moment.
I'm
Embrace
taking him home.
every moment.
I'm taking this bug
Learn something. Love. Love your family. Love who's around you. Take care of yourself too. Good health, good mental health, physical health too.
I can't move.
Have fun, everybody. Let's go Lakers. Man, big ass mountain lion. Oh shit. No, I'm just
Daddy,
playing.
stay gentle. There's students.
All right. Peace, everyone.